And so they gave it to me in this bag thing. They sent it gift wrapped this time. So I ordered it online. There was only 2 left in stock, so yeah, I kind of figured it was a gamble if I was even going to get one or if I was going to get one in good condition. So I will show you. I already opened this, but I was strongly debating returning it, and I will show you why. But so here's the bag. It's friggin' tiny. They wrapped it in the tissue paper, very nice. Now, here's where the problem lies. You can't really see it a lot at the moment, but it was bulging a lot worse, but you can kind of see that it was overstuffed in the front pocket there because they had rolled this up and stuffed it inside, and it honestly is just not meant to fit in these bags because whenever you order any kind of bags like this from the retail, if it was this size bag, the strap was not wrapped up. It was wrapped separately, like in separate paper. Before I even get into showing you like the things I like about it, because like I'm obsessed with this bag and there's none left in stock, so I'm like, the only reason I'm considering keeping it. But yeah, because they had it stored. Look what they did to the strap. Like, bro. See how much they bent it? Bro. Bro, I say as if you're my bro. You're not my bro. I don't know, you can kind of see. I know, Evie, I know. It's serious business. It's very hard to see on camera right now because my lighting is really bad. I might have to do this in the daytime or insert pictures with my iPhone. Take pictures or something. It's been a few months since I filmed it. I don't know how to do my lighting in the middle of the night, so be how it is. Yeah, they bent the strap really bad. You can kind of see. They really rolled it up super, super, super tight. Like, as soon as I pulled it out of the inside of the bag, I was like, oh gosh, this is not good. This was not meant to fit in there. They rolled it up so tightly that they squeezed the little end in there. You can't really see anymore, but it must have just been potentially like when they shipped it, but there is a indentation from the clasp on the inside because it was pressing into there. But the thing is, I love this bag so much, so I'm like, I don't know, do I keep it? You can kind of see the color better. Basically, I was concerned about the bulging. Like, you can kind of see how in the middle, it's instead of these edges being up, I don't know, this one's squeezed closer. It's not as separated because this is kind of distorted. I don't know if it can be bent back properly. But yeah, it just looks like it kind of was yanked in the center. I don't know. Maybe I'm being picky. I might be being picky because it seems it's pretty good. I don't know. I am picky. What am I talking about? I just must recommend Coach not do that. Oh my god, my color. There you go. I fixed it. My color was like all off. Oh my god. But yeah, what do you think? What would you say? Like, other than that, like, it was a return because the tag was not on it. Did not have a tag. Did not have any wrapping on it. The tag was just in the pocket. I don't even think I had a care card or anything. Yeah, no dust bag. I don't know if this is meant to come with a dust bag or not. I feel like it should, because especially the patent leather one should. Because I have another one, but I just don't remember. I guess I'd have to like look at the unboxing video, but I feel like they just consider these wallets or something. But you know, they're purses too. We need a way to store them. But yeah, mainly I'm kind of concerned more about the strap. I don't know. I need to know people's opinions. It was only 25% off. I'm surprised it actually sold out at that price, but I guess people are obsessed with mini bags. I really like mini bags because I have a lot of pain issues, so lightweight bags are better for me, especially when I'm having really bad pain and inflammation days. Let me just see how this looks. There's a little top handle. I think this top handle is so cute. It's very cute. I'll probably keep it. Yeah, Evie, I keep? Should I keep it? Is it my color? Okay. All right. We're sold. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, 25% off. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we'll take it. This is my temporary video until my room is made over, and I will reveal that to you guys hopefully soon. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long to do that, but my delivery's arriving in 2 days, so. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. It's super lightweight. I'm only going to keep it if it's fits my stuff. I'll have to do a what fits, see what fits, and see if it works for me. Other than that, like, it was in perfect condition. Just if they could not roll up the straps and put them inside, because it just wrecks the straps. There's no way a strap could fitted this. Like, that's just really pushing it. I don't know. I never overstuffed my bags. But yeah, I've been using my TABBY 12. That's been my main bag lately. This is my this is the TABBY 12. Oh, the TABBY 12 seems actually smaller. Oh, look at this. It's actually smaller than my studio bag. This bag might not be as functional, actually. It's like... Look at it. Look at the size difference. And this barely fits anything. This one's just way more functioning. My second mini bag, most of my mini bags are like more functional. These are like Barbie sized or child sized. Perfect purse to inherit to your child. Let's see, does my card case even, if my card case doesn't fit in here, that's just like a no-go. That's just like a, what the hell? You can't even fit a card case in here. Bruh. A regular card fits. Interesting. No card holder though. You can't fit a card holder. Weird. But I guess you organize them like that. Yeah, card fits in there. Huh. Okay, it's small, but actually, okay, it does fit stuff. Maybe I keep then. It fits stuff. It feels freaking lightweight. I want to weigh it and see how much it weighs compared to this one. Because I'm always interested to know. Because some bags look like they would be light, but they're surprisingly heavy. So yeah, what do you guys think of mini bags? I'm kind of obsessed because of the lightness of them. I just thought these would go on further sale. I really did. Because they weren't selling for so long, then all of a sudden they gave a 25% discount and then they're gone. But yeah, it matches my sweater. And my wardrobe. I'm going to have to closely inspect it to make sure there's not any flaws I missed. Because every time, I swear, every time I don't, like, inspect it with a friggin' magnifying glass, I miss, like, some sort of blemish on it that I see later, and I'm like, no! But yeah, this bag cost $180 plus tax, so it was like around $200. Which is a lot for a tiny bag, but I feel like the craftsmanship is just so cute. This literally looks like it could be a doll bag, Barbie bag. I want to show all my pink bags, actually. I have a few different pinks, but I'm liking these cool tone pinks more. The cool tone pinks more. Kind of tired of the dull and nude tone pinks that have been around lately. More Barbie pinks. I'll try and see if my photos of this look more warped, but it seems to not be as bad now. Maybe if I squish it. Like a sandwich. Got a pocket here, a pocket here, zipper pocket, another pocket. So lots of organization. It's probably a good concert bag. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be less scuffed and I'll be back in routine. Till the next video.